I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying that poster color is usually water-based. This matters because it affects solvent choice. Once done, ventilate the room and put on nitrile gloves, eye protection, and a respirator if using solvents. Next, clear loose debris and dry soak the spot with a paper towel to assess adhesion. Make sure to perform a small patch test about 1 square inch in a concealed area, so you can observe color change or finish damage before continuing with stronger methods. You start by scrubbing the stain with warm water and mild dish soap using a soft nylon brush. This lifts fresh poster paint without harming most finishes. If that doesn't work, switch to 70–90% isopropyl alcohol or denatured alcohol applied to a cloth. Alcohol breaks the binder in water-based paints. Once softened, gently work a plastic scraper under the paint. Avoid metal blades on varnished or hardwood floors. Make sure to blot, not rub, to prevent pushing pigment deeper into the surface. You finish by thoroughly rinsing the treated area with clean water and a pH-neutral floor cleaner so residues don't attract dirt. Once dry, assess sheen. Apply a small amount of floor polish or appropriate touch-up product to restore finish continuity and protect the surface. If a faint pigment remains or the finish is damaged, avoid repeated harsh solvent use. Instead, consider spot sanding and recoating or call a professional for refinishing. If paint lifts unevenly, stop and consult a specialist to prevent permanent harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.